Keep reeling. Now lift up.
Fish in the box! Congratulations, man.
Just take lesson, boys.
There you go. Hey, turn around and give me a smile. There you go.
Over the top. You gotta lift up in the net.
In the box.
Here and gets close, you just lift up and step back. Okay. Lift up and step back.
In the box. Good fish. Congratulations.
Watch those guys on the other side. Keep reeling. Okay, come forward. Walk this way. Keep reeling. Yes, lift up, lift up.
Lift the reel, lift the line up. Lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Lift up, lift up. There you go. Hey, just smile.
Grab it.
Hey, Jamie, that 20 I put in was for Ant.
He's fighting for his life. You just want.
Come on, man. Come on. Show him his boss.
Boy, I think you put one drag on that one.
Come on. Kick that rod to the side. Walk down to the shorty. Watch that rod sitting on the ground.
Just coming down, guys.
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Keep walking. Keep reeling. I see it. That's right. Yeah! Make it look good. You're on video. Come on, bring him. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. That's it, steer, man.
Oh, too far.
In the box. In the box, baby. Turn around, give me a smile. There you go. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
This way.
Now we have 3 on here. We locked them all off.
In the box. Congratulations. Nice fish. Nice fish.
Thank you.
way. There we go. Not the pose, not on the video. El Natural. Ooh, that was good.
$20 a pound, I'll go sell those up there.
Hell yeah.